Hello, my name is Yong Wei Jing, metric number 261482. I'm currently at SEM 3 student from STIW 2044 mobile programming class. Today, I'm here to present my final project, which is titled Mynelayan. This app is written with Flutter programming language using Visual Studio Code. And Mynelayan actually is a fishing sales system through mobile application that it can let fishermen to sell their seafood. To make sure fish that has been catch from fishermen available to supply fast and efficient to consumer in the market, Mynelayan has been developed for fishing sales system through mobile application. Inside this application, user able to buy, upload, view available seafood in the market. So I'm here to demonstrate how to use this app and how it's work and how it's developed by our class and me. So I would like to introduce my splash screen, and after that will be in main screen. This is the splash screen of Mynelayan. After that, it will pop into the main screen, which is the market that show here, and here will show welcome back not registered user, which means this is a not registered user account. Even though the user have not registered, but they're still able to view the seafood inside the market. For example here I can show you. Because of the slow internet, the image will be loading a bit slow, and user can press into the seafood that they want, and this will show the seafood detail, and user can buy this if they have registered. For seafood detail, this has shown the picture and the title and the time that the seller upload, and the description of the seafood, the price of the seafood, and the seafood origin, which means where it's come from. And for second page is post seafood, but for this page is actually for registered user to post, or for fishermen that have registered to post their seafood inside this application. If you haven't registered, it not allow you to post any seafood, just to make sure that all the user that have and upload the seafood is a valid user. The third page is my cart. My cart is the tab that show the user where the history of their shopping, and they can cancel their seafood if they want to return it or they don't want it. So for the fourth page is the profile, which means they will show the detail of the customer, and what I am opening now is not registered user, which means it's a dummy user. And here will show the shopping radius, the credit, and after that you can change the profile picture. And here is the rating, your personal detail, your email, your address. This address is following your location, and that you have activated in your phone. And here will show your phone number when you register, and the radius. Here will show the payment detail, which is your bank, which bank you are using, and then your credit and your card number. Okay, now I will show you the registration for this application. For the user that want to register, you can press the setting over here and press this register button, and yes, they will bring you to the registration page. After that, I will demo how to register. First, you capture a picture,
fill in your email, and this will transfer the email to my PHP admin. which is the big database that I have using. I will use a dummy email just for make an example.
Okay, after you have fill in everything, press register, and through my PHP, you will they will send you a verified email to verify your account. After verified, you can log in to this app. Okay, I will show the registration that I have done just now, and I will show inside my database. It will add a new row that show the information of the new registration user, which is here. This is the new registration that I have made just now, and I will use my account to log in just to make it more faster for login. Once you press from the setting, you can go into our login page, and here have an option which is remember me. This will save the information for the user every time when they are logged in, so they don't need to keep log in when the apps restart or when they open their apps. Okay, after you press remember me, here will save the preference of the user, and now you can press login. Okay, after login, here will show welcome back the username account, the username, and after login, user able to buy seafood when they need. Here I will show you the transaction. After pressing buy this seafood, it will go to cart. Okay, just now we have bought the prawn, and here it will show you the list of your cart. This is what I have bought, and later on I will show you how to cancel. For posted seafood, if the user is a fisherman, they can post the seafood through this tab, and I will show how to post. Press the picture over here. After that, you can choose your type of seafood, for example fish, caviar, lobster. Okay, you can choose fish if you want, and set the price to maybe 40 ringgit, and set the food description. Let's say it is 500 gram tuna fish. Okay, and then you can upload the seafood, and they will send the seafood origin by detecting your location. So here is the example of the seafood after posting it. Because I'm using AVD, so I cannot capture a real seafood over here. The post seafood, it will come to the market, and if you delete from the posted seafood, this posted seafood will according to the email. So for the owner of this seafood, it can delete, and this will disappear from the market as well. Yes, this will disappear from the market. Okay, now I will showing how to cancel the seafood that you have bought. Long press the seafood, and it will pop up a cancel seafood name, and then here will show credit will not return. This is make sure that the user won't simply buy the seafood and hold it and cancel for no reason. Okay, once you cancel it, it will go back to the market. I cancel the prawn that we have bought just now. It will go back to the market. Yeah, it's over here. And lastly is profile. This is the detail that it show when you register. Your radius, you can change it later on, or your credit, your personal detail, your payment detail. For name, you can change it over here. Waging, now we change to Zakchi. Okay, after changing the name to Jack T, as you can see, the name will change, and here also the main page also will change the name for it. And all the information that over here you can change for radius, phone number, and password, you can change through this button over here. This is a edited button for user to change their detail. And here also you can change your bank, your credit. You need to top up to increase your credit, and you can change your card number. For this credit, it's actually a transaction for user to buy their seafood or upload their seafood. So now I will show how to update, how to top up the credit. After pressing here, top up, and choose the credit that you need, how much you need. For example, I have 145 now. After I pressing top up, okay, as you can see over here, after pressing payment, it will lead you to this this web page that is from Bill Please. It's a dummy online payment, and here will show the detail and your email. Afterward, they will send the receipt to the email as well, and the mobile number. Okay, here I will show pay. Because of the internet a bit slow. Okay, so after pressing pay, it will lead you to this Bill Please payment simulator. Press successful payment. This is just for dummy, and it will print the receipt. 20 ringgit is 100 credit point, and you can see over here your credit has increased 100. Here also. So this is a top up system that to let user to top up their credit. For my PHP admin, I will show the transaction and how it's work from the mobile apps and the database. The synchronize for these two when the transaction is happening. So for hosting seafood, I can show. Okay, now I will show how PHP works in with Flutter in this application. So here, as you can see, I just now we have posted a fish in the market, and inside the PHP admin, you can reload it. Yeah, it's over here. The fish ID 21, and the fish price is 45. Tuna 500 gram, and then fish owner is my email, and fish title fish, and the time is showing the time that when you upload, and fish image. So we don't have fish buyer, so this will be now, and the latitude and longitude and the rating. And now I will show you after delete. This row will automatically disappear. So when the user delete from the application, and the database will automatically delete the data also. So okay, deleting the seafood, and we can reload, and you can see the fish ID 21 will disappear. Okay, So this is the result of deleting the seafood from the application. And now I will show you the card that I have bought, which is when you bought the seafood from the market, and fish buyer will turn to the buyer email to replace now, and I will show you if I want to cancel it, it will go back to market, and fish buyer will be turned back to now. So let's we take oyster as example. We cancel the oyster. Okay, oyster go back to seafood market. Oyster is over here. As you can see, the oyster turn back to now, and it's appear back into market. So I have three table over here. One is the registration table, which is every user register, and it will come to here. After verify, it will turn from 0 to 1, and the credit and the radius. For payment, is the record of the user top up their credit, and it will show over here to make sure every transaction did not missing, and you can find it back. So in conclusion, this app is very easy to use and very convenient for those who want to buy seafood and the fishermen that who want to sell their seafood. In this platform, they can make their transaction, their supply, and fisherman can supply and user can buy it. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you.